What's up, online fam? Yo. So, I wanted to talk about our new module, Money Master the Game. How you doing, guys? If you have any question, drop them real quick. I stack $100,000 in my bank account. We're gonna drop the price of the program. So if you want to learn how I did that, get in and let's go. Let's go. So we're gonna drop the price from $9.95 to $4.95 like it was. What you get with that is basically we're gonna take off the lifetime VIP Forex signals, so you get all our online course. And I just updated a new module, or actually created a new module. It's called Money Master the Game. And you don't want to miss that. Now, I literally, if you saw our story, guys, I literally stacked 100,000 US dollar in my bank account. I'm from Canada, so I have like 130,000 something dollar. The broker that I use is 𝐉𝐨𝐬𝐧.com. Check out the link in our bio if you want to use our link. You'll get some perks like lower spread, 30-minute withdrawal, $10 deposit minimum, stuff like that. So if you have any question, you can drop them real quick. We're gonna go out. How many pips do you average per signals? I would say around 80 pip probably per signals. Basically our take profit are between 60 to 200 pip. Most of the time 60 to 150 pip. We have 2 take profit on most trade, and our stop loss are going to be between 50 pips and 100 pips, something like that. We don't do scalping. We don't really do day trading. We send 3, 4, 5 signals per week, and it's really profitable. We've been sending signals since January 2017, guys. So if you can go ask any other signals provider, like how many times you've been sending signals, and they're not going to tell you since January 2017. I can tell you that. So if we're still in business, that tells a lot. Right now, I'm on this trade, guys, Euro USD. I started to call my trade Euro USD as signals as well. So we're going to get a little more signals. I have a entry way higher than where I call the signals. So right now, people are literally 340 pips in profit because I called the entry at 1.18. It's just that I took a bunch of profit already. I had multiple position, and I had this position from last week that I took a trade on my own. Let me show you the balance of that account. Let me show you the trade history, guys. Right now, that account is at 3,200 something dollar. But I started literally with like, I already made a withdrawal of 1,700 something. I'm going to show you the history. And I started with like $1,000, 1,100. So basically, with the withdrawal, I took 1,100 to more than 5,000 with just Euro USD in about 2 weeks. And this is what you can, this is not even our Forex signals. I just started to call those trade on Euro USD in our Forex signals as well. But this is just to show you that when you are taking our program, not our Forex signals, when you're taking a course, when you're learning a strategy, it's made so you tweak it for yourself. So you will never have like the exact same strategy that Nicholas is teaching or Kevin is teaching or me is teaching. You will learn what we're teaching and model what we do and tweak it to your own strategy to your own pair, to your own like rhythm of trading, how many trade, how much you're gonna risk, like what kind of pair you're trading, are you taking a lot of trade or not, do you scalp, swing, are you day trading, stuff like that. But to prove you, just to prove you what I'm saying, if I'm guessing you're in inner signals, because we call it for free as well. If you're not, obviously join us, guys. But I said over here, buy now Euro USD at 1.18 area, and you can see the stop loss was 1.17 for 50. So if you look this week, Euro USD never went to 1.17 for 50, so we didn't got out. And right now our people are through almost 400 pips in profit, and if they actually are trading by themselves a little bit, they're probably like banking a lot of money on this trade like I did, because we literally had, I call this Sunday night. So if you look at Euro USD, it's just been doing this. So if you like took a little bit of profit, then it pulled back, you re-enter, took a little bit of profit, it pulled back, like you can make a bunch of money on a trade like that. But now we're still 100 pips from our second target, so we still got a lot of ways to go. We're like 60 pip from our first target and 150 pips, no, 105 pips from our second target. Now let me show you the trading history. I'm gonna answer your question, guys, right after. I'm gonna look, and then after we're gonna go out. I'm gonna show you my car. I'm gonna show you how beautiful it is today. So check that out. Account history. And by the way, for the people, obviously, it's a live account. You see live server. Thanks a lot for the love, guys. If I do all history and I scroll down, profit 3,423. But no, actually, yeah, that's what I was about to say. I don't know why it says that. You see over here, profit is more than that. God damn it. More than $4,000 profit loss, $4,000 on that account. And you see deposit 1,000. So I took 1,000 to more than 5K for more than 4,000 of profit, and I already made a withdrawal. So yeah. All right. Now, let's go out a little bit and I will answer your question. Thanks a lot for the love, guys. Gonna get some water. When you're doing giveaways, we don't do giveaways. We try that a little bit, but people are not engaging enough. Sometimes we did some posts and we were like, if you like tag your friends and comment and stuff, we're gonna give something, but there was not enough engagement. So we're like, fuck it. We don't really care, to be honest, guys, because anyway, now if you're following a little bit what's going on with Instagram and social media in general, in the past week, the algorithm of Instagram has completely changed. The engagement has dropped more than 50%. So right now, like, the organic stuff is kind of literally dying. So we run a lot of pay advertising. We run a real business, right? So we spend a lot of money on pay advertising, and this is how we get our traffic. So In the future, almost all the businesses are gonna have to do that, or they're not gonna be, or they're not gonna survive. So there's no point of doing giveaways because we're running pay advertising and we're making a 67% discount. So you already got a 67% discount, and then after that you got a free introduction course and you get access to our affiliate program, so you can promote our course and make some commission as well. So if you sell just one of our course every single month as an affiliate, you get enough commission to pay your monthly subscription. And you can also pay $500 for a lifetime subscription, and you basically have lifetime access to our signals. And then you're an affiliate and stuff. So literally with us, you can pay $500 for a lifetime VIP Forex signals, $500 for our online course, and you basically got everything we got. All our online course, all our VIP Forex signals forever, and we got multiple online course, all our trading session, all our bonus video, all our masterclass, the Money Master the Game program, everything. So we don't need to do giveaways because there's nothing we can give away. It's just too much valuable. And we already make a super offer. Eagle charged too much on spread, bro. I don't know. I didn't saw that, to be honest, man. I did a lot of broker and their spread are like every broker, pretty much. I don't know. I didn't saw that, to be honest. Cool thing about Eagle as well. There's a few cool thing. First of all, there's a poker platform. So like on the weekend and stuff, you can transfer some fun real quick. Go play poker, which is pretty cool. You can do 30-minute withdrawal. So during the week, if you ask for a withdrawal, it takes no more than 30 minutes and you get your withdrawal. So it's super clean. And last thing that I really like about them as well is that there's indices, crypto, Forex. There's a bunch of things you can do. So if you're really into that lifestyle, you can do it 24/7, 7 days a week because of crypto, poker, and all that stuff. Oh yeah, and their affiliate program, I forgot, their affiliate program. Once you sign up with our link, which is an affiliate link, right? You can become an affiliate as well, and you can sign up people. You got your own little link, and you can kind of build your team, right? Not your team, but client that you can promote or refer to this broker, and you make a little bit of money on their trade. This is pretty much like that with every broker, but usually the broker don't give the opportunity to their clients to do that, right? They're just gonna do that with Forex signals provider, people that are selling course and stuff. What's up, kitty? We're gonna go back in my office because I'm gonna go and change the price, as I said, right now. So for you people that wants to get the program, you're gonna be able to get it at $4.95 as promised right after this live. Let me put that here. How can a non-US citizen trade the market? Well, everyone from anywhere basically can trade the market, unless there's a few countries that most Forex broker, they don't like want to have as client, like Iran and stuff like that. But besides that, you can trade from anywhere. You can just go click the link in our bio, open an account with a Forex broker, with a recommended Forex broker, and get started trading. Wizard, it's better. Someone said not profitable signals at all. Well, it depends on how you see it, because if I look at last week, yes, last week minus 95 pip. Okay, that happened. This week, if you took all our trade, which is 3 trade, which they're all pending, they're still all open, you're more than 95 pips in profit already. So the loss of last week we already took it back this week. And if I look at the week before that, it's positive 153 pip. So just even on a small time frame, on 2 weeks, we're profitable. Even on one time frame, like 1 week time frame, we're profitable, because if you joined last week, you took a little bit of loss, you took a trade this week, you're back in profit. So I don't know. And you see over here the week before, 280 pip net profit. So I don't know how you can say that our signals are not profitable, man. I don't know. I don't know how you can say that. It's just literally a lie, my friend. I meant how much minimum package costs. So it's $100 US per month, but we got a 67% discount. That's the cool stuff. So the first month is only $33. So like that's why a lot of people are joining us. They're not necessarily staying for month after month after month, because some people, like this guy, is like, signals are not profitable at all. And then you look at the result, it's like plus 230 pips, plus 153 pips, minus 95 pips, and this week we're in profit. So it's like we're over 400 pips in profit just this month in the past 4 weeks. And we've been sending signals for like 3 years. So we're obviously profitable. I can tell you by art that on like 42 months of sending signals, we literally had only like 4 or 5 months that were losing month out of 42. That is insane. You cannot find any other Forex signals provider even coming close to that. Now we're gonna go change the price. There's a few things that we need to change, because on this page over here we're saying you can get the lifetime VIP Forex signals and all our digital program, but now I'm gonna have to take off the lifetime Forex signals again, because people are cheap as fuck. They're like not buying it. We're gonna put it back at $4.95 instead of $9.95, and we're gonna sell just the course, all the courses, at $4.95. So if you want our course, it's a very, very great price. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna answer other question. So yeah, so it's $100 monthly subscription, $33 for the first month. You get a demo of our online course. So you get week 1 for free. You get access to our affiliate program, so you can promote our course even if you didn't buy it, and you can make money to pay your subscription. And besides that, we got our lifetime VIP Forex signals at $4.97, and our online course, all our online course, which is a bunch, at $4.95 for all of them. Get access to all our digital program. Get lifetime access. Here you go. Do you know about binary.co? I don't know about that, but I know about binary option. And if you follow my story, which you probably don't, because I did not really share it enough, I started basically when I was broke, 20,000 something in debt, but I was kind of working from home, you know, selling weed. And I was basically, you know, getting on Instagram, and for the first time in my life in 2015, and I came across like motivational page, because that was basically only what it was in 2015, and some trading page. And binary option was the first trading stuff that I found out, and I deposit like the minimum deposit of $200 into a binary option platform. And believe it or not, I took that $200 to like $800 in my first 48 hour. So I got hooked, right? I got hooked that day right away to trading, because it was like I took $200 to $800 in 2 days, working at home on my cell phone and my computer. And I'm in Canada, so that is like $750, $800. And that is literally what people are making in 2 weeks. And I did that in 2 days. And at that time, I was like, shit, this is crazy, right? This is crazy. Even people that are really, really pay well, like kind of pay well, right? They make that in 1 week, like people working in the government. But then after that, I lost it all, obviously, and like even faster in like 1 day, because, you know, you go crazy, you start losing, and you're like betting more and betting more and betting more. And then after that, every time I had like $200 every week or so, I would put $200 into binary option, and obviously I lost it all. And after like $1,500, $2,000 in like 2 months, I said, oh, fuck it. it's a scam. And then I forgot about trading. And then 2 months later, you know, I tried Forex, because it was, everybody started to promote IML on Instagram. So I was getting a bunch of DM, because my Instagram was starting to grow. So they wanted me to promote IML. So I got into Forex at that time, basically. At the start of 2016. Bro, can I stop over trading? Please help me. I am so depressed. I see nothing. I see only trading. Well, I hope you're still here, Hassan. Because let me tell you some straight up, like I will tell you more about that, but the first thing that I will tell you is way enough. We are taking 2-3 trade per week, and we made so much money trading that we got investors giving us $50,000, $100,000, $20,000 to trade their money with. So not only we made so much money and being successful for a year trading our own capital, but there's people that are giving us big capital, like millionaires, right? Business owner and investors and stuff, that are giving us their capital because they know we can make more than 5-10% per year, which is what they're making with real estate or stock market. We done that. We never took more than like 4 trades per week for the past 3 years. 4 or 5 trades per week is an active, really active weeks. Sometimes we don't take any trade in 1 week, and we lose a lot of clients for VIP Forex signals. Like we literally lose like 70% of our clients, 65 to 70% on the first month. They're gone. And we've been doing that since 3 years. And we're going to do that for the next 3 years. And that's fine. Because there's a little percentage of the people that stay and they understand it's a long-term game, right? And over trading is like, it's easy why you're doing that. It's because you want to turn a little bit of money into crazy money, which is not going to happen, bro. So what you need, and even if it's going to happen, you need to master what you're doing first. And you see with Euro USD, I trade 1 pair. I take 2-3 trades per week. Sometimes I scalp in between my swing trade, so it's more than 2-3 trade, but really like major trade that I'm looking at the direction and stuff is 2-3 trade per week. And I took $1,000 to $5,000 in like 2 weeks. It's not gonna be like that forever, but I mastered this pair, so I don't need to overtrade. And Nicholas, which is sending the signals, is only, you will see all his signals are on GBP pair. Like 95% plus of the signals are on GBP pair. GBP JPY, GBP odd, GBP NZD, GBP CAD sometime. That's because he mastered the pound. And also in our webinar, we're explaining why you don't want to, unless you're really good at what you're doing and you're mastering like one pair or two, you don't want to trade USD pair, because USD pair, they're manipulated by the Forex broker, the Forex broker and the hedge fund and the banks and stuff. So you need to try to avoid USD pair. So yeah, man, so that's it. So lastly about that, what I'm gonna say is the solution is that we're explaining it soon as you join our Forex signals. If you look at the pinned message, we're literally explaining, we're saying word for word, you're not gonna get rich, you're not gonna become financially free just copying our Forex signals. Word for word. That's the first thing you will read when you get into our VIP Forex signals. Literally. And I know some people are probably like, oh, fuck, that's a bummer. Like, but if you read till the end, we're explaining that the VIP Forex signals are only there for two things. Only two things. They're there for you to make, one, some extra income, a little bit of extra income. But most importantly, they're there for you to master, to at least save $500 to buy our course. And then once you buy our course, you have the strategy that we use to really master trading and master our finance. And also we show you, once you have mastered that, how to get funded. Either by like funding platform or private investors. So your goal with the Forex signals is just to make enough money so you can buy our course, and then you learn the real strategy and how to build a portfolio, a track record to get capital, and then you do that, and you make a little bit of extra income with our Forex signals, and you build your track record, and one day you get funded. Because the only way for you, for 99.999% of you to become a full-time Forex trader is to get funded. And it's gonna take probably 6 months, 12 months, 18 months. So if you want to quit your job in the meantime, you're going to need to have other active income. And active income is not going to come from our Forex signals. It's not going to come from trading. It's going to come from like promoting our online course, building your own business, doing coaching, having a job, whatever you need to do in the meantime. And we teach all of that in our online course. And actually, not in just one of our online course, we teach that. So let me show you guys. So how to master your finance is master the money game. But on top of that, you have our up-level trading program, our trading accelerator program, our millionaire Forex trader secret course, a 4-week live webinar recording with a golden option certified mentor, trading session recording, live Q&A recording, 52 technical analysis video, the Forex master plan, how to get 50K to 250K on investors' money, a private Telegram chat room with a certified golden option mentor, and lifetime access to the trading academy and our affiliate program. $495 for all of that. Now, actually, let me go change the price, because I did not even change the price yet. I just changed the page. so you can actually buy it for real at $4.95. For people that are wondering, I'm gonna pin a link in like a minute where you can go and get that. Okay, so it's goldenoptiontrading.com/buy now. goldenoptiontrading.com/buy now. So buy now, you probably realize that $495 is worth it. Is worth what you can do literally in 1 week when you have mastered the money game with just a little bit of capital, right? By now, you probably realize that like all the course that we have, all of them basically are worth the price of what you're gonna pay, right? By now, you should also realize that you have a private Telegram group, a private Discord group, 100% for free, forever included with that. And by now, you should have realized that we have like 66 premium members already. There's a 3-year professional trader over here. Dave is paying all his bills, all his rent, his food, his expenses with Forex trading. Jade over here is in Miami. He's from France. He moved to Miami. He opened a coffee shop and he's basically living the laptop Forex lifestyle in Miami. He has a coffee shop and he's making a bunch of money with Forex trading. We got this person over here. Like by now, you should realize that this person she has paid $1,997 last year for the course. And she said, but it's worth $5,000. She literally paid $1,997 and she say it's worth $5,000. Do you wanna know what she paid $1,097 for? This and this. She paid $1,997 for this, and it was not even half of dated. There was not even half of the content that there was in there. And she said it's worth $5,000. For $495, you get all of that updated, that, and that for $495. So if you want to really become a full-time Forex trader, this is what you need. You got everything. And as you can see over here, we're saying our mission is to reform the education system. So it's really, we want to help people master the money game, master their finance. So by now, you should have realized that we're not just there to take your money. So go to goldenoptiontrading.com/buy now, because I'm tired of using NLP and say buy now every 30 seconds. So just go buy now. Okay? So buy now. It's the first time I did that, but I want to see if it's working or not. We're going to see. So buy now. If you're still on this live, I hope that's because you got your computer open and you're buying it with your computer. All right, I'm going to see a few questions. I did not answer every single question. You will make loss from these signals. Well, if you don't follow them properly, maybe. One, patient. 2, consistency. 3, practice. 4, repeat. Oh, that's great. Let me show you something I bought for my birthday. It was like 2 months ago. And I decided to buy three Gianni Versace vintage piece. So Gianni Versace was the founder of Versace. So you see over here, Gianni Versace. And these t-shirts are literally $450. And what they do with them is they put a QR code in them. Right here. They put a QR code. So you can literally, you see here, it says tap here to check the authenticity or scan. So when you have people on social media that are like, oh, this is fake, nah, you can literally tell them, well, you can tap the QR code, my friend, and you can see that it's real. I bought this one, and I bought this one as well. Just black t-shirt with like Gianni Versace signature. Do you know how much is it for like one t-shirt, a black t-shirt with like a Gianni Versace signature? $425 US. I also bought some shoes to go with it. I want to show you that. I'm gonna get back where the light is. Bonjour, 𝐍𝐞𝐻𝐡. I bought some Versace loafer to go with it as well. These were $800 US on regular price, but since my birthday is July 2nd, and I bought them from Versace.com, there was a sales for the Independence Day of the US on July 4th. So it was $450 US for those instead of $800 US. Which is pretty cool. So yeah. So this is the kind of cool stuff that you can buy with like one trade, because when you will have mastered that, think about that, okay? Think about that. It's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna take 3 months. But if you follow our plan and you succeed with it, okay? And I can tell you that it's really doable. I'm not selling a dream. Think about that. You're gonna make money with your own trading account following our Forex signals. You're gonna make some money promoting our Forex course as an affiliate. You're gonna make some money trading a second trading account with your own Forex strategy. And eventually you're gonna make some money trading a funded account. So we're gonna teach you 4 ways to make money. And if you really make a lot of money, you can pay to get private one-on-one coaching with me. That's something I do. If you want to build an online business, it's a lot of money. It's like $6,000 minimum to work with me. But I can get you a 5th source of income if you want to start an online business as well. Because I did $1 million online, so I can teach you a thing or two. I run all my Facebook and Instagram ad. We're spending from $500 to $1,000 every single day. Yes, you heard that right. $500 to $1,000 every single day just on pay advertising. Not for software, not for email, not for staff, not for our team. Just for pay advertising, we spend $500 to $1,000 per day. So when you guys are like seeing an offer like I'm presenting to you, and you're like, oh, I'm not sure if I can take the risk of $500. I'm like, I don't want to be disrespectful, but you're not going to get nowhere in life. Like if you cannot take a $500 risk. We're taking a $500 risk every single day on advertising, on trading, on a bunch of things. So let me make all the updates on the page as well. Then I'm gonna go do my jogging. I hope you guys go to the link goldenoptiontrading.com/buy now. You're gonna see this beautiful offer. shit, I didn't change it over here. Boom, boom, boom. This. Okay. And all right. Then I need to switch the sales page. Il fait beau à MTL. Yes, je m'en fais mon jogging. Direct après ça. How did you start trading? I actually said my story in this live, so good stuff. Never trust signals from fake guru and robots. I agree. Totally agree. Quality over quantity. Yes, sir. What made up your mind into trading? I'm gonna be 100% honest, man. Like, I'm more a digital marketer, online marketer than a trader. But I made enough money now that I can grow some of my money with trading and focus a little bit more into trading because I'm a business owner. So I got system and team and automation running my business for me. Congratulations, man. Thanks a lot. New Hassan said practice, make you perfect. Yeah, man, you can never read perfection, but always practice, always take action. I'm a high achiever, man. I will never ever achieve perfection. That's for sure. Price action, trade with the bank. Bro, my strategy, I don't even have one single indicator, not even like Fibonacci at this point. Like, it's 100% price action what I do. Just with Euro USD. Nicholas is a way more advanced trader than me, way better. You know, he has a way longer track record. He's using Fibonacci, he's using a few other things, and it's working very well. I know the strategy, but it's based on price action as well. And he's not using a lot of indicator. Basically just Fibonacci, which most people don't even consider an indicator. Divergence. No, we don't use divergence. Eagle FX at. I got a sweater, I got a t-shirt, I got a few cool things from Eagle. This guy is like, your signals are not profitable. All right, man. We're gonna hide you because it's been 3-4 times and you're just a fucking liar. They're really profitable. I proved it on this live. Show the result and stuff. Bali Trading Pro. Someone said, you bugging, bro. They're legit. My bad, guys. I just block him. Love you, gold option. Thanks a lot, man. But it's goldenoptiontrading.com. Be really careful because literally, I don't want to brag, but literally since a while, there's people that are using our brand and try to scam people at the point that there's a business that, you know, we are goldenoptiontrading.com. There's a business in the US that has registered their name, bought a domain, goldenTradingOption.com. Like, we are goldenoptiontrading.com. They are goldentradingoption.com. And they like do everything that we do similar and model us. So people think that is us or it's the same business or they don't know. And they basically ask people to send them thousands of dollars that they will make them crazy profit. And we literally got people like saying, hey, I got scammed by you and stuff. And we're like, what the fuck are you talking about? We don't even take money from people. And literally at the point that since a while, if you go on Google and you type in golden option scam, all right, don't do it too much, please, because I don't want too much people typing that. But you will see that there's pay advertising from a business that is helping, right? I'm going to give you their business model after. Helping victim of scam get their money back or, you know, get after the businesses. But look after that. They are paying for advertising. Never trust a business that is paying for advertising, right? I mean, never trust them if they are not telling you that they want to sell you something. That's what I mean. Like, they're not there to help you, or at least it's not their end goal if they are paying for advertising. If they are paying for advertising, they're there to make money, right? So they are paying for advertising, and it's like golden option scam and stuff like that. And it's like golden trading option as scam you, blah, 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 blah. So people, you know, they don't read the fine prints and all the line and stuff. So they think it's us. But it's like, it's golden trading option, and we are golden option trading. But they literally made it on purpose so they can scam people, and some people believe it's us and stuff. So anyway, people go really, really far. They like create fake Instagram account, create fake Telegram account, fake email, fake WhatsApp. Like yeah. We are one of the biggest Forex signals provider, guys. I don't give a fuck what no one say. Like I said, I made $1 million plus online before being a Forex trader, a Forex signals provider, or whatever. I'm a digital marketer. I'm an online marketer. And I'm a beast at it. Like one of the best in the world. I'm in some mastermind like with people that are making 7-figure, 8-figure, right? 8-figure guy is like more than 1 million per month. Right? And I have direct contact with these people, and I know their business strategy, and we have the same mentor. We're in the same high level group. So I know what the fuck I'm talking about, and we are one of the biggest Forex signals provider in the world. Straight up. Straight up. How can I learn with you? Buy our course. The whole goal of getting the Forex signals at $33 and then $100 monthly subscription, like I said, is so you can buy our course eventually, and then you can learn a real strategy and how to get investors' money, which is what we teach, and then you can get funded. There's some, look, to give you an example, our investors, okay, this is a little bit more difficult, but we show you how, and if you're really good, we're literally going to give you our investor capital to trade with, right? But our investor, we got a 50-50% split. So 50% of the profit that we make goes to us. And when we get bigger investor that has more than like $100,000 or $200,000 in their account, they sometimes have 33% or 30%. We have 30% and they have like 70%. But still, it's a lot of money. And the funding platform, it's really similar. Some funding platform, they give you 70% of the profit, 50% of the profit. Which is the best Forex broker, Eagle FX. Really like them. I'm gonna plug my phone. All right, so I'm gonna hop off real soon, guys. Real soon. I hope you enjoyed this live. I'm gonna save it, put it in our member area for sure. It was a good one. Wizard doing one, blah, 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 blah. Are you promoting someone else, man? Doing 1K pips a week. Stop playing, but I respect your hustle. Whatever. The guy is like, we're gonna need to block you, man. We're not gonna accept that you keep on promoting someone else in her life and not say anything about it. Goal is going to buy big time this Friday to Monday. Someone said that. It's not my word, but someone said that. So if you want to take them up on that, go ahead. What about a Forex course, man? Well, this is what we got. When we say digital program, this is Forex course. We got literally a whole it's more than a Forex course, but we got like 2-3 Forex course in our program. And they're really in depth. Really in depth. Boom, 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 boom. All right, over here, everything seems good. This is insane. 10K value, and it is a real 10K value, bro. Because since you just did that, it's good. I'm not gonna block you, but stop promoting that fucking wizard guide. I don't know who it is. But all the value you get, guys, like, it's, check that out. Up level trading program, we literally used to sell it at $2,000, and we literally have someone over here saying I bought it for $1,997 and it's worth $5,000. And that was a year ago. That was without all the updates and everything. It was like at least 50% less content, less better. So from what she said, that's a $5,000 value right there. This, the Trading Accelerator program, we're selling it at $297 all day long. This one, we used to sell it $297. It's not available anymore. The new Money Master the Game course, it's a $500 value as well. 4-week live webinar recording, it's $997 as an upsell. Trading session, live Q&A, you cannot get that anywhere, but you know, how much is it worth? Having a bunch of trading session and live Q&A recording, it's worth a lot of money. A bunch of technical analysis video, like this over here, just how to get 50K to 250K of investors' money. How much is it worth? So much money. Private Telegram chat room. Now we also got a Discord. You know, so yeah, it's crazy value. Sarah, buy our course. We want to have a woman that will get funded with our course. That will be good. Golden option and Forex, yeah, is the way to go. I don't know what is Forex, yeah. But thanks a lot for the first part. Selling weed, what? I'm late like that in the comment? Oh shit. My bad. I'm like 30 minute late in the comment. I didn't know. Fuck. I'll get y'all going on e-commerce. I don't agree. With all due respect, e-commerce is shit. It's don't do e-commerce. What year you started being profitable? 2018. I made $500,000 on e-commerce, but that ain't shit, bro. With all due respect. Literally, like, profit margin on e-commerce are between 5 to 10%. And I don't give a fuck if you say, no, that's not true. That is true. It is proven. The stats are there. I can break it down real quick for you. For example, some people are going to say, hey, you buy something at $2 on a website in China and you sell it for like $10. That's like 500% profit margin. No. That's not how it goes. You buy all these shit product at $2, then you got a shipping cost to get it to a warehouse, and you have a fees to keep it at the warehouse. Okay, and then after that, so just right there, like, it's not $2, it's like $4 or $5 just for like your shipping fees and your warehouse fees and stuff. And then after that, when you are starting to get a little bigger, you're going to need a support, right? So now you need to start to pay for support. You need to start to pay for ClickFunnels, for your software, for email marketing, for this, for that. So now your cost per things that you sell is like $6, $7. So, okay. But now traffic doesn't come from like miracle, right? Even if you do it on Amazon, yes, you can rank organically on Amazon, but do you think like in 2020 you can go there, put a product, no one's selling it, and you're gonna be number one? No. So it's not gonna work. So guess what? You need to pay for traffic. So now you need to pay for traffic. So now, literally, you're selling something at $10, but it's costing you $9.50. No joke. Okay, you're selling hundreds of them per day if you're running pay ads. So you're making like 100 times 50 cents profit per day. That's $50, my man. So at the end of the month, you're like making $1,500. But you freaking sold like 50 G's of product. So if you do that for like 1 year, you're gonna be able to say like this man, with all due respect, just said, I did a $500,000 with e-commerce. Cool, bro. That's like $40,000 of profit for you at the end of the year. That's like $3,000 per month. That's like not minimum wage, but like not even a high paying job, right? So it's like the regular income in US and Canada that people are working. So congrats, like it's way better making $3,000-$4,000 per month on e-commerce than going to a job or whatever, and you might get bigger second year or whatever, but these are the real stats. I just wanted to make a point that $500,000 in e-commerce is like really not enough to like say I'm super successful and teaching people. And you actually just said it. My brand made over 500K revenue in a year grow. So I literally just broke down probably how much you made in profit. Look, congrats, right? Congrats. It's really, I got 45K to flip. Let me see what you gonna do. That's great. And you know, I said you probably made 30 to 40 G in a year, and now you're saying you got 45K to flip. So I'm guessing I was pretty freaking close, right? Now, it's fucking great, but the point I wanted to make is that it's not enough to say like, oh, I'm a e-commerce god, or I can teach people now how to do e-commerce, or, I'm set, I'm done, I got financial independence from e-com. The bad thing is like when you start to get really, really big, like I heard, and it's not heard, it's like I know, you get shut down. It's either Amazon itself that will take the product and sell it, or your supplier in China that sees that you make a lot of money, they will start selling, basically cutting you off and selling the same thing you're selling for cheaper and make way more margin. So, I'm gonna go do my jogging. Someone said I got funded 50K on FTMO. Insane, man. Nice job. 2 months. Wow, nice work. How much time that is really great. But the 2 month is the challenge. It probably took you more than 2 months to be able to make the challenge and do it successfully, right? You probably didn't read like a book or took a course in like a day and like say, okay, let's go to FTMO and make the 2 months challenge, and you get funded. So most of the time I see a journey of like when you really start to get serious about wanting to get funded, most people it's like 6 months, maybe 12 months, and you get funded. Someone asks, who are private lender? Well, it says in the name, it's like private. But yeah, I'm a go. I'm a up off. I'm gonna go do my jogging, and I hope you join our program, because it's really a life-changing program. You got multiple funded account. What we do, guys, is that when you have multiple people that wants to have you trade their capital. Basically, what you do is you create what it's called a MAM, MAMM, and you have one master account that you connect all the investors' account to your MAM, and every single time you take a trade, it's gonna copy the same trade on their account. So you don't need to take like the trade on every single account, and you don't need to calculate like how many lot you should put based on their account size and how much you want to risk. It's all preset, automated. It's called a MAM account. I missed out a bunch of questions because I didn't thought there was that much question. I'm gonna do another one like next week, something like that. My bad. I did blow a bunch of account when I started, for sure. I was stupid about it. We don't do account management if you have a small capital. If you have like $30,000, $40,000, we do account management, but it's like, don't send us a DM and say, oh, I want to know all the detail if I have that money, that money, that money. It's more like you need to literally send us the investor's password of your account before we even start talking about it. It's like there's so many people that are like asking us for like track record or this or that. They just want to get some screenshot or something to go and scam other people. Do you share your analysis in the VIP group? Yeah, we do, man. Literally every single trade besides mine on Euro USD, because I don't do an analysis on TradingView and stuff, but all the other trade, there's an analysis on TradingView that is done, and we put the screenshot and you can see like literally it's not a big in-depth analysis, because if you want that you need to be in our program, but it's really it's good. You got a photo analysis of the trade. I already bought 1 month. You should not but you should not even say that, bro. You should say like you join us and that's it, that's all. Because if you just bought 1 month, your expectation are probably not gonna be met and stuff, right? Just say you join us. It's forever, man. Fuck 1 month. Can you tell us about your job? Last time I had a job, guys, like minimum wage was like $10 per hour, and it was like in 2015, something like that. All right, that's it. MAM, MAMM, yes. And boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Forex all the way. Yes, sir. Login pass investor password. Yeah, what it is, guy, and I'm gonna leave you on that, is basically on your MetaTrader 4 account, every account you can provide to anyone investor password. And an investor password, what it is that your investor or other people that you want to show them your account, you can give them that and they will be able to log in the account, but they will not be able to take any trade, close any trade, withdraw any money. It's just to be able to see the account. So you are giving that basically most of the time if it's your investor account and he send you some money and he wants to have access to the account and see what is going on. The other time that you do that is when you want to verify that on MyFXBook, the second layer. And for example, if I would tell you guys, hey guys, like I flip an account from $1,000 to $100,000, and here's the investor's password, so you can check it out and you can see like that is real. and you would be able to log in the account and actually see the trade and the history and everything, but just not being able to take any trade. Now, I'm not gonna do that because we got my FX book for that, and it's just like I'm never gonna do that. Like, it's stressful for no reason. All right, so the broker is available in the US. Yes, sir. All right, so have a great one. Peace out, guys.